Hello, my dear students. Welcome to 10th class English Unit 6 Biodiversity. From that grammar point, reported speech. Let's see a conversation between Ramu and Tina. Hi Tina, how are you? I am fine. Thank you, Ramu. I am studying through online classes. Oh, that's great, Ramu. I am watching lessons in rrbuddy.com. Do you watch all the subjects? All subject lessons are uploaded in the website. How are the lessons? All lessons are very good. I wrote online tests also in rrbuddy.com. Okay, that's good, Ramu. All the best. Bye bye. Now, let us see what Ramu said. Ramu said, I am studying through online classes. Here, the actual words of spoken by Ramu is written. In this sentence, the actual words which spoken by Ramu are written in inverted commas in red color. That is, Ramu said, I am studying through online classes. These are the exact words spoken by Ramu. You can write in other way also. That is, Ramu said that he was studying through online classes. In this sentence, the actual words of Ramu are transformed. Here, whatever Ramu said has been transformed without changing the sentence meaning. Here, inverted commas has been removed and the word that is added. And also, I am studying changed to he was studying. That means here the tense of the verb I am studying is changed to he was studying. The present tense has changed to the past tense. So, in this way, we can report what a person has been spoken. There are two ways. The first sentence and the second sentence. Both convey the same meaning. So, the actual words which are spoken by a speaker, if we write, that is called direct speech. That means in the direct speech, we quote the actual words of the speaker as it is. And if we transform the exact words of the speaker, it is called indirect speech or reported speech. That means whatever the speaker has been spoken, we report without changing the meaning. That is called indirect speech or reported speech. In these sentences, the first one is called direct speech and the second sentence is called reported speech. In direct speech, we quote the exact words of the speaker in inverted commas. Now let us see some more examples of direct speech and reported speech. Ramu said, I am watching lessons in rrbuddy.com. We can change from direct speech to indirect speech as this. Ramu said that he was watching lessons in rrbuddy.com. In this sentence, the underlined sentences are said by Ramu, and in the indirect speech, it has been transformed as he was watching lessons. In this transformation. I am watching lessons is in present tense. It has been changed to he was watching lessons. And the word that is replaced. Look at another one. Ramu said, all lessons are very good. I wrote online tests also in rrbuddy.com. In indirect speech, we can write as this. Ramu said that all lessons were very good. He wrote online tests also in rrbuddy.com. Here also, the red color words are exact words spoken by Ramu. While reporting that one, we change it to all lessons are very good. This is in present tense. The present tense has been changed to the past tense. All lessons were very good. Here also, I wrote online tests has been changed to he wrote online tests. In this way, we can change from direct speech to indirect speech. Here, present tense changed to past tense in the reported speech. It is not always necessary to change the verb in reported speech. If you report something and the situation hasn't changed, you need not to change the verb to the past. Look at some examples. Neelima said, my new job is very interesting. You can change into reported speech like this. Neelima said that her new job is very interesting. Observe these two sentences. The underlined sentence in both direct and indirect speech has not been changed. The tense remains same. My new job is very interesting. In reported speech, her new job is very interesting. Here only the pronoun my has been changed to her and the tense remains same because the situation hasn't changed. Her job is still interesting. So you need not change to the verb to the past. Look at another one. Ravi said, I want to go to New York next year. While changing to the reported speech, Ravi said that he wants to go to New York next year. Here also, Ravi still wants to go New York next year. So, the tense remains same. You need not to change the verb to the past tense. I want to go, he wants to go. Only the pronoun I changed to he. Have you understood this situation? I hope you have understood. Sometimes the past simple did or saw or knew etc. can usually remain the same in reported speech, or you can change it into past perfect had done or had seen or had known etc. Look at some examples. You can understand this situation. That is, the past simple in direct speech can remain the same or you can change it into the past perfect in reported speech. Look at some examples. Ravi said, I woke up feeling ill, so I didn't go to work. Here, I woke up feeling well, ill is in past tense, simple past tense. I didn't go to work is also in simple past tense. Look at how to report this one. Ravi said that he woke up feeling ill, so he didn't go to work. Have you observed the reported speech? Here the past tense remained same, only the pronouns I changed to he. I woke up changed to he woke up. I didn't go to work, change it to he didn't go to work. The tense remains same here. That is, the simple past remains as it is while changing into the reported speech. Or you can change it into past perfect tense. The simple past can be transformed to past perfect tense in reported speech like this. Ravi said that he had woken up feeling ill, so he hadn't gone to work. Here, I woke up, which is in simple past, changed to he had woken up, and I didn't go to work in the direct speech, changed to he hadn't gone to work in the past perfect tense. In this way, you can remain the tense from the past simple as it is, or you can change it into past perfect tense. Either way you can write. I think you have understood. Now look at the following conversation and notice how it is reported. NHK radio asked Wangari Maathai, how is peace connected to good environment? For that question, Wangari Maathai said, many wars that are fought in the world are fought over natural resources. Some wars are fought because the environment is so degraded that is not able to support communities, and so they fight over the little that is left. Now look at how to report this one from direct speech to indirect speech. Here the question has been reported like this. NHK radio asked Wangari Maathai how peace was connected to a good environment. Here, how is peace connected has been changed to how peace was connected. For that, the answer has been reported like this. She answered that many wars that were fought in the world were fought over natural resources. Some wars were fought because the environment was so degraded that was not able to support communities, and so they fought over the little that is left. Have you observed the red color sentences? How they reported into blue color sentences? Look at this. That are has been reported to that were fought, and some wars are fought transformed to some wars were fought. Environment is so degraded is changed to environment was so degraded. That is changed to that was. So they fight changed to so they fought. Here in indirect speech, the simple past tense or the simple present tense changed into simple past tense. That are fight changed to that were fought. In this way, simple present tense changed to simple past tense. Have you understood this one? Now write the following in reported speech. One homework is given. You have to convert this one into reported speech. Note it down and convert into the reported speech. I will read it out. NHK radio. What is one thing we can do? For that, Wangari Maathai answered, for me, my greatest activity is to plant a tree. I think that a tree is a wonderful symbol for the environment. And when we plant a tree, we plant hope. We plant the future for ourselves, for our children, for the birds. We plant something that will last long after we are gone. So now change these sentences into the reported speech. I hope you will change definitely. Have you understood how to change from direct speech to indirect speech? I hope so. Thank you, my dear students. We shall meet in another interesting session. Thanks again.